Hey guys, welcome back to the Boho Big Homestead Garden channel. So I just noticed that I'd noticed for a while, but I've never seen it, the actual flower. So here it is. It's the moss rose porcelain, I think that's what it's called. Somebody gave this to me and said that when it blooms, the flower is super pretty. Never seen it bloom before until today. And this is what it looks like. Super pretty, and there are more coming up. I don't know if these are the seeds, or yeah, I think these are the seeds from the ones that were bloomed before. There's another one. This one has a bit more green. That is super pretty. But yeah, this is the first bloom for this plant, and it's spreading like crazy throughout this bed. I have a few things in here, and this is where I put it. This is the main root right here, and it's spreading. So that's it for the moss rose. That's the white one. Hopefully, I know they have them in different color, but hopefully I can find it, because this is really pretty. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to follow the gardening journey. Bye bye.